An aeroplane at an altitude of 1800 meters finds that two boats are sailing towards it in the same direction. The angle of depression of the boat are observed from the aeroplane are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the distance between the two boats. Right, so listen. The altitude of aeroplane. The altitude of aeroplane means 1800 meters. Aeroplane will be here from the ground level to here. 1800 meters here and the aeroplane is there. Clear? So the boats are sailing towards in the same direction. In the sea, the boats are sailing towards in the same direction. So one boat will be here, one boat will be here, like that. Because sailing in the same direction. So from this aeroplane, they are seeing the boat here, the same distance, same point. They are seeing the another boat also. So both are angle of depression. One is first boat they are seeing 60 degree. Second boat they are seeing 30 degree. Second boat will be here 30 degree. This is the long one is 60. First boat 60. Second one is 30 degree. Right? So 60 degree. The long one means 60 degree. 60 degree boat will be here. So this is 60 degree. Here, this one here touches. So this is 30 degree. Opposite angles. We need to find the distance between the two boats. One boat will be here x. I take distance of x. One boat distance of y. So here to here we need to find the distance between the two boats. So tan 60. We take the first 60 means tan 60 degree equal to 1800 by x. Tan 60 equal to root 3 equal to 1800 by x. Now x equal to 1800 by root 3. This 18 here root 3 we are having. In numerator we are having 1800. We need to cancel the root 3 means this 1800 separate into 3 into 600 by root 3. So this 3 I written root 3 into 600 by root 3. Root 3 will cancel means x equal to 600 root 3. This is answer 1. There. From the top of here, they are seeing the second boat. So that one I take y equal to, that is tan 30 degree equal to, tan 30 degree equal to 1800 by tan 30 degree means opposite was 1800 by adjacent is x, also we are having x plus y. So here we need to write x plus y. X plus y means tan 30 means 1 by root 3. This is equal to 1800 into by x plus y. So cross multiply x plus y equal to 1800 root 3. So already we find x, we need to find the y. So y equal to 1800 root 3 minus x. X equal to what? 600 root 3. So 1800 root 3 minus 600 root 3. Here what we are using? Using 1. This is your put 1. So 1800 minus 600 means 1200 root 3. Y equal to, this is the answer. So y equal to 1200 into root 3 means 1.732. So multiply these two things, we are getting some distance, that is the distance between the two boards. So listen, how to multiply 1732? We remove the point and write 1072 into 12. No need to zero on top. So listen, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 7 14, 2 into 1 2 plus 1 5, 2 3 7 1 4 8 7 12. So we are getting what? Right? So we get the answer 20,784. We are getting the multiply answer. So here 1732 into 12. So here we are having 2 zeros. So here I add 2 zeros. And then after point we are having 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3 digits. After 3 digits we put on point. We are getting 2078.4 is the answer for this. So this is equal to 2078.4 is the distance between the two boards. Therefore, distance between the two boards is 2078.4 meter. Right? Thank you.